Yeah, we're gonna get rid of this epoxy coating and make this hopefully a good looking axe and well that'll function well. This is my first go at it. Yeah, we want to get rid of all this epoxy so we can get a good soak of oil. The epoxy will prevent us from getting an oil soaking into the wood to make it last a lot longer. It'll also, once we're done, we should have a much better hand grip. Some people say the epoxy can give you blisters. I don't know. I think that kind of goofy. Just good, dry, fresh wood. Oh, just do a little smoothing with some 120 memory cloth I have in my service truck. Well, decided to add a little something to the side of the handle. We're gonna burn in a word. Kind of ran a couple test burns. Hopefully I've got her dialed in where it's nice and clean. It should take about 11 to 13-ish minutes for it to burn what I've got on this. And then we will run some stain. I'll probably use linseed oil. I gotta see what I have. I might have to run the Ace Hardware. And of course, whenever we're... Sorry, I bumped the camera. Of course, whenever we're using a laser, don't look at the laser. If you have to, put on some appropriate shaded glasses or goggles that are rated. Don't want to ruin your eyeballs. I'm using tung oil on this one. Let's see how it turns out. Some people say it's a little more durable. I don't know. Just gonna pour some into a small dish. Get our brush nice and wet and start brushing. And we'll get a coat on here, let it dry for a while, and we'll buff it with a towel or cloth. And then after, I'll probably add another coat tonight. And I'm undecided. I may take some kind of latex paint or something and fill in my letters once I'm done with the oil. Have a nice tool that we'll have hopefully for decades. Something I can hand down to my kids when I'm long gone. So we've finished putting tung oil covering over my wooden handle. And I had to put a little engraving, slice and dice on the handle. I had to give it something, and I may still take some kind of epoxy paint and fill in the lettering, give it some pop, just for a little kick. I think this tung oil is going to work really well. I'm not a woodworker, so I'm a metal guy, but wood's kind of fun too, you know. So I think I will like this. It feels pretty durable. Still a little rough. I didn't sand it down. You probably could take some very fine steel wool and polish it. But I think after a couple uses, bare hand or with gloves, it's going to smooth down just from your neck, from your hands working on this. And I saved a little cup of tung oil and just let it set. Now this was very thick. There was probably still a 1/8 inch of tung oil in the bottom of this 1 week ago. But you can see it sets up pretty good. And on the wood, that's just going to penetrate deep into the wood. I'm going to have to try to set out some linseed oil, some boiled linseed oil, and see what it does after a week. I'm curious now. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a quick, short video. I need to go down and pick up some leather working items. I do want to make a sheath. And again, I'm not a leather worker. I've never done it. Hence, I have really no leather working tools. But if I do that, I'll try to throw a quick video on that as well. But I do appreciate watching. I hope you give it a big thumbs up. And hit that subscribe button because we want to keep growing this channel. Appreciate it very much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.